What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, and a happy Halloween to all of you. Hope you like my little spooktacular beginning there. That was, I don't know, I felt like screwing around with some sounds, some black and white, high vignette, random inexplicable scene changes, you know, make a little horror movie for you. So, anyway, I haven't had this thing out for a very long time. This is probably the first time it's run for probably close to 2 years. It's a great little truck. Probably needs some work, but it runs just fine the way it is. I got some more stuff coming up. A little bit of footage of this. Got the green machine out again. Maybe a slow week, but probably have a little bit more running footage for you guys here shortly. Winter's coming. Got to start building the indoor course. I'm not going to go too elaborate. I don't want to build a big table full of a whole bunch of stuff. I just want things to climb. No more of this moving tons of rock around. Speaking of rocks, this is like the only exposed rock in the yard right here. Believe it or not. I can't find anything else anywhere else. It's the only natural rock I can locate. I happen to really like that shot. It scared me. See, around here, we don't have rocks, we have walnuts. So we go walnut crawling, if you will. It's really very fall out there. You can't tell. This is just nothing but trouble. But once again, thank you all so much for watching. Really do appreciate every one of you being here. 1,561 subscribers. I was pretty surprised by this. Take it easy out there. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Peace.